Hi everyone, it's me again Edmund, and for today's video I will share the simplest way how to remove the unwanted object from photos, people, text, and effect from any pictures for free using our Android phones by Cleanup.pictures online applications, and it is absolutely amazing. Alright, so let's get started. For the first step, you need to go to Google. That's our web browser, and search only this keyword cleanup.pictures, and after that click on it, and then now here the home page of cleanup.pictures. And for the next step, we need to load or upload any kind of image, photos, or pictures that we want to remove some of the object or any text or defects, and then click on it. And then we're going to browse and upload for an example image. Alright, click this one in here now. So you can see this is an HD image, and if you want to use the Pro, you can use also for 3 days free. And for now, we're going to use the HD image, so click this, and it's ready now to start to removing any object that you want to remove. All right, and in here in down you can see the brush. You can adjust this one to is from large, medium, or small. You can adjust this, and after that for the adjustment, and just click this clean. All right, so the first defect or unwanted object that we want to remove, so we will try this circle one, is color pink. So hold on, so adjust the brush and then tap only this, and then next step you need to tap this clean and just wait for a seconds to remove. Alright guys, so you can see the one of the unwanted object, it's totally removed, so no other residue. You can see any color or lines. All right, and the next step, another one, so you need to remove this more, this keyword more, tap only, hold on, adjust the brush and tap only this more. All right, and then next tap this clean and wait for a second to remove the keyword. See, now it's totally also to remove the keyword. And one more, it's in the top, so we need to remove this circle one, this like ring, tap only, and then tap this clean and wait for a seconds. All right, so this is very simple only to how to remove the unwanted objects. So absolutely amazing, and it is great. And now after you remove any unwanted object from these pictures, you can also do the downloading. So click only this, click this arrow, and it will start to download. So just click and it will start to download. All right guys, and thank you for watching guys. If you are new in my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and click the bell notification to update upcoming more videos and tutorials. Thank you guys, and see you in my next vlogs.